How to fix message notification not working on Moto G77. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click on hot side power button and volume up button. You will see restart phone from here. After restart phone, enter phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notifications. After click on notifications, click on do not disturb and turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset option. After click on reset option, click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix message notification not working on Moto G77. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.